fans in general, let's check this one out. It's a beauty. 1951 Ford F1. Of course, the first generation of Ford F1 pickups, I believe, starting 48. And Ford-powered 351 Windsor underneath the hood for you guys and gals that don't care for that Chevy power underneath your Ford hood. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. There is a dyno sheet that will go along with this truck, along with a bunch of other receipts. Dyno sheets at 430 horse, 427 pound-feet of torque. So we got a nice engine underneath there. Good sounder. We'll start it up a little bit so you can hear it. Now, if you want to check out that dyno sheet and the rest of the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, undersides, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. You can see you have the blackout grille with some nice bright work around the headlight bezels, the V8 Ford emblem up front, and then of course the F1 Ford bright work down the side of the hood. This particular truck, steel body, glass fenders front and rear, as well as the boards, and of course tonneau cover. It does have Pursuit door poppers. Show you all those work in a bit. Comes with 2 sets of keys, 2 key fobs, riding on polished American racing wheels, 15x8 in the rear, 15x6 in the front, 4-wheel disc brakes. So you got disc brakes at all 4 corners. So you can see the red interior, center console, power windows, Pioneer stereo system, tilt column, nice looking interior. And we'll pop that hood in a little bit, start it up. Let's check out the interior a little closer too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Again, there will be kind of a folder of receipts that go along with this, as well as that dyno sheet. You're going to see it does have the decoded digital dash receipts in there. March performance pulleys and brackets. I believe the billet power steering pump came from them. Electric fan with shroud assembly, aluminum radiator. I know it's got aluminum heads on it. I believe those were Edelbrock Performer, and we'll take a look at that when we get the hood open. It does have a new battery installed in it. As you can see, nice reflection coming off this paint. It is black. You will find blemishes here or there, but overall this truck shows very, very well. Let's go ahead and I'm going to pop this door. There's a couple things that I want to show you on it. I'm going to grab the keys here a second. So you do have the key fob. It does pop the doors, and again, both sets of those do come with this. Go ahead and just turn the key to the on position. I wanted to show you this. Power antenna has been incorporated in with the start button. So the start button is here. All I was doing was pushing the start button to raise that antenna. When we turn the key off, you can push that start button and it'll lower the antenna. All right, here's your decoded digital gauges. Let's go ahead and start this up. So obviously RPMs, oil pressure, water temp, volts, and fuel level. Pioneer stereo system. Does work. Tuner. As you can see, also vintage air controls down below. There's also a head unit I noticed for a CD changer there. Didn't really play around with that at all. Had the radio working, works good with the antenna, no problem there. But remember, you're going to get a lot better reception with that antenna up. Slip around to the back of this so you can hear it run. Nice little rumble coming out of that 351. Sounds good. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take me both hands to get the hood up so we can check that out. See how that engine bay looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's that 351. All right, aluminum radiator, like I said, hand shroud, electric fan, your serpentine system, March performance. primary pump, power brakes, headers, again aluminum heads, Edelbrock Performer, Edelbrock RPM intake, MSD ignition. Wow. Nice looking engine bay. Don't have to be afraid to raise this one up any of your car shows, local roll-ins, anything like that. And again, remember 430 horse, 427 pound-feet of torque. 1951 Ford F100, Ford powered. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.